Raise your hand if you have a desk, but you only ever use your bed as a workspace. In today's video, I will be completely transforming my desk area.
Oh my god, it's so aesthetic. So this is my desk. Yeah, it's very messy, it's very cluttered, all over the place. There's so many things on it. I just don't feel like it's a space for me to feel safe and productive. My chair is not functional. It's just not very efficient. I never ever really use my desk to do my work, and I mostly use my bed because I feel comfier in it. I use my bed as my workspace, which has led to less productivity and really bad sleeping habits. So that is why in today's video, I want to create my dream desk space. I got this wonderful desk from 𝚑𝚑𝚗𝚒𝚗𝚑𝚑, and I'm so excited because it is a standing desk, so whenever my booty gets tired, I can lift it up and make it higher so I can stand and do my work. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's go unbox it. I'll meet you guys here.
I just want to give a huge thank you to 𝚑𝚑𝚗𝚒𝚗𝚑 for sending over this amazing desk. I love that it has electric height adjustments. It has 4 programmable height presets, a child lock button, which helps prevent accidental touch. It also has a convenient storage drawer, and I just really love how easy and simple this desk was to build. It wasn't anything complicated. I will have it linked down below in the description box. It's from Amazon, from the brand 𝚑𝚑𝚗𝚗𝚗𝚑. Here are some inspo pics that I have for my dream desk. I'm going for like a very soft pink with neutrals. I'm kind of over the whole Danish pastel aesthetic, so I'm going for something that still has pink in it, but also a lot of neutrals, kind of like an edgy look. I don't know, but the soft pink and the whites and the blacks, just, I'm literally obsessed with it.
Alright guys, honestly, I don't know where I'm going to be putting this desk. That means I'm going to have to move my whole entire room. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. I knew that this desk couldn't be built perfectly because it was built by me. I put the legs on the opposite sides of each other. Do you see the shorter side over there? And the shorter side is over here. I'm done. I'm so beyond excited to redecorate my room and have a whole room transformation, but for right now we're focusing on our desk, so... So I did in fact change my whole entire setup. Like what you're seeing right now is me trying to decide whether it was good or not, but I changed my mind a lot and I was not happy with how it was looking. So you're gonna see a completely different setup by the end of the video. I have all these 𝚑�値𝚗𝚒𝚗𝚑𝚗 stickers, and I kind of want to put like maybe a couple stickers like on the front of these, but I don't know which one to put. Like I have so many. Alright guys, so I printed out some pictures from Walmart. You guys will see the vibe that I'm going for. I got this inspo from Pinterest, and I really liked that wall. Like I liked the pinks, the whites, the black. How cute this little kitty is. So cute.
on this wall over here. I don't know if you guys can see, but I think you can. You see these little dots right here? Yeah, I used to have something hung up here. So now there's holes and I want to be able to cover that so that doesn't really show. This is my calendar. Look how cute. It's a 𝚱𝚒𝚗𝚒𝚗𝚒 calendar. I still have not opened it. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. February. Look how cute. It's literally perfect. I think I should put it here. I got this adorable little dumpling lamp from Urban Outfitters. It's the cutest little dumpling. Look how cute! Isn't it so adorable? Like, I just want to literally squeeze it to death. I also got these tulips. They are so cute. They are light pink. I got them from Amazon. To go with that, I got this brand new vase. It's so cute. I'm gonna open it up for you guys. So that's the vase that I got from Amazon. I love that it's textured and I think it's gonna look great with my desk. Alright guys, one of the many things that I wanted to change about my desk is the chair which I was using. And I got a new chair. It's literally right here. All the pieces are right here. So I'm going to be building this chair. I'm going to put a time lapse because it's probably going to take a while. And I'm so excited because this chair is spinny and it's so cute. I've never wanted to kill myself over something materialistic until right now. Oh. What happened? I'm literally gonna have a mental breakdown, bro. Like, I'm literally about to start crying and like stomping, bro.
Why? What happened?
Bro, I've been trying to build this mother effing chair for 5 hours.
Why are you gonna start crying over a chair?
Because I can't freaking put it together, bro.
No, stop.
Literally, Walmart, go F yourselves, bro. So 5 mental breakdowns later, here it is. She's cute. I'm not gonna lie, she's very cute. But was it worth the hassle that I went through? Like, I have built so many things in my whole entire life. I've built this desk, I built that pegboard, I built my clothing rack, I built the shelf over there, I built my bed with my boyfriend. I've built so many things in my whole entire life, and never, ever have I once
wanted to bang my head on the ground repeatedly because of a freaking piece of furniture. Like, this was $60, but I think that in like, honestly, it cost me more than $60. Like, I feel like I wasted so much time, so much energy. I feel drained. Anyway, I'm gonna go die in my bed now, okay? Okay, starting off with this side, we have the 𝚑𝚗𝚒𝚗𝚒 calendar. How perfect. And then over here, we have my little pegboard. I love so much. I decided to put a little perfume bottle, that's my favorite, and a little serum that matches. I don't know why I don't use it anymore, but thought it was cute. My little chicken nugget man that I got that I am obsessed with. A cute little flower fairy picture back here, and I have Scrump because I'm obsessed with her, and then the Miss Dior perfume because I love. And this is a cute little sticker that I just put there. That's very random but cute. Down here I put this flower clip that I got from Forever 21 and my cuddly spray that's gone, but I loved her when she was here. Here I put some washi tape because, I don't know, there's like a random empty space, so why not? And then down here I have a cute little 𝚑𝚗𝚚𝚗𝚜 sticker, and these I thought were paintbrushes, but they're actually like eraser pencils. I don't know. And then I have some baby's breath, fake obviously, and a ruler. And then down here, my favorite part, a bunch of like jewelry kind of. I have this seashell necklace, gotta channel the inner coconut girl. Then I have this little cow pendant from a jewelry shop that I got on Instagram. Look at the little baby cow with the strawberries. I have this necklace that I made for my boyfriend. It says Ricky on it, and this little clay cow ring that I made a while ago. I put my heart mirror, I just didn't want it facing the other way. This candle that I had previously on my desk before. This I think is definitely my favorite part of my desk besides my wall. This is actually from Papier. I think that's how you pronounce it. Oh my goodness. Hi, so cute. This dumpling little light is from, it turns on, I just have to put batteries on her. She's from Urban Outfitters, and the candle is from Ulta. I know I didn't know Ulta sells Candier candles, but it's from the brand Candier. Then obviously we have my laptop and my keyboard, which I'm not a big fan of. And over here we have my perfumes, and I got these two from Amazon. And this little frog, he's the main character. This box from Papier, shout out to them. They sent me a bunch of stationery desk decor. I love this box. I think it ties everything in. And this is washi tape from them as well, and a bunch of erasers that they also sent me. This journal is actually also from Papier's, and this blue candle is from Amazon. This is my little speaker from Divoom, and I love it. My wall art, look how precious she looks. She's just a moment. I love her. The chair that made me question my existence and purpose. She's still cute. I love her. I can't be mad at her. It's the manufacturer's fault, but that is my desk. I'm literally obsessed with it, you guys. Oh my god, it's so aesthetic. She's perfect. I love her so much. I love her. I just wanted to show you guys some cute little pieces that I got from yesstyle for Valentine's Day. I'm so happy that it's finally February. It's almost Valentine's Day. I love Valentine's Day, so let me show you guys. First, I got these pants that I'm wearing. Look how stunning they are. They're literally so cute. They are the perfect cargos. They fit like a glove. Honestly, these I think are probably the best cargos that I've gotten from yesstyle. They're so cute and cozy. Then I got this jacket. Oh my god. I've been in need of a really warm jacket. You guys, oh my gosh. I wish you could feel this right now. Bro. Oh my gosh. This feels like a dream. Like, oh my god. Literally, who is she? I'm obsessed. I don't know how to style a scarf, but I will learn. She's stunning. Oh my gosh, how do you put this on? She looks like this. Guys, I'm gonna feel like a flower fairy in this. Oh my gosh, this dress is so stunning. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me transform my desk space. Honestly, I was just so nervous that it was not going to turn out like how I wanted it to. I'm very, very picky. I think it all just like fell into place so perfectly. I'm literally obsessed with my desk. I can't wait to do homework. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Give this video a thumbs up if you absolutely love my new desk, because I could give it a million thumbs up if I could. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys in my next video. God bless you. God loves you. Show love. Bye.